Yeah. So when I get asked this often, when I think about this is not necessarily why I do what I do, but it's why did I stay doing this? Because I started as an intern and that was why I did Northwestern. Why I stayed was because of culture. My background was in communications and social work. And so I always had a knack to wanted to give people empathy. I wanted to listen to them, but I wanted to personalize it to them. And Northwestern allowed me to do that, listen, care about people for who they were. And so that is why I stayed. And that is why I do what I do, is because I get to listen and personalize what they want, listen to what they want, and help them achieve it. Yeah. So growing up, my parents never met with financial advisors. Transparently, I don't even know if I knew what a financial advisor was growing up. And so as I think about this, that blue collar world is my world. It's the lingo that I know and love. But a lot of advisors, they go after people with white collars, scrubs, because that's the people that quote unquote make money. And that's not me. I want to meet with the down to earth person. We can sit down, we can personalize that. And my ideal client is the person that is coachable, wants a personal relationship with their advisor, and then they want detail. And that's really where we specialize, is that person that wants that relationship. They want the detail to their plan. And that's where we fit in really well. Yeah, this one's easy. It's okay to talk about. It's not a sin to talk about money. And so as I think about that, Zig Ziglar says, right, money isn't everything, but it's right up there with oxygen. And it's okay, right? And you got to talk to your kids about it. You got to really make sure you talk to your spouse about it or be on the same page. And transparently, I wish people talked more to their friends about it. Not only the wins and successes of money, but also hey, here's where we're struggling, right? Whether that's at the grocery store, thinking about what house to buy, etc., but to talk about it. Personal growth. It's so important to be a better dad, husband, coach, boss, right? And just advisor. We talk to our clients about taking the step off the road to life for their financial plan. I got to do that for myself to make sure that I'm growing to be the best me. My managing partner about a year ago today had shared with me, we were talking about a leadership contract of, Dusty, act like the person that you want to be in that role, whether that's your actions, the way you speak, etc., and it'll come. And so I think about what I want to be next is I got to keep growing in order to get there. And if I'm not trying to grow, how am I able to teach or coach somebody if I'm not learning still and actively working on myself?